Welcome to Molto Buono, a channel where you can find easy, delicious and affordable recipes mainly from the Mediterranean cuisine. Today I'm going to show you how you can pop all the popcorn while making them flavorful, adding olive oil and butter and not burning any of them. My name is Krista, and while the intro goes, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. These are the only ingredients that you will need. Some oil. I recommend using extra virgin olive oil because it's healthy and it will improve the taste. Some butter, the main ingredient, the popcorn, and after they're done, we're gonna add some salt. The amount of the ingredients that we will use depends on the cookware, so I will show you later during the cooking. On the lowest heat possible, we add the pan and we add the oil. The amount of oil should cover the bottom of the pan. So, you see, maybe a little bit more. We add the popcorn as well, and the amount of popcorn should cover also the bottom of the pan. Maybe a little bit more. The idea is that you don't see the bottom. We add the butter as well. We cover it and we wait 5-7 minutes until the first ones start to pop. As you can hear, they started popping. So we turn on the heat a little bit. And we start shaking it from time to time. We shake them because we want the unpopped one to slide back to the bottom. Let them pop slowly and make sure that you shake. If they start popping too fast, that means that the heat is too high. As you can see, they're still popping. Even though there are holes here, sometimes I open it to let some air in. We don't need the lid anymore. Let's shake them one last time. And that's it. Now that they are ready, first of all, we add some salt. We can add salt also later, so we should not overdo it. And using this spoon, I'll just put some of them in this bowl. Or my favorite, I use this plastic bag that is meant for freezing meat and vegetables, but it's the perfect one for the popcorn. As you can notice, there is no popcorn that hasn't popped. And that's it. That's how you make all the popcorn pop. I hope you will enjoy it. If you have some questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Buon appetito!